everyone. Welcome to our April spring video
Yes.
blog. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, the trees are in blossom. It's gorgeous outside, and I am delighted to introduce Jane. Some of you don't know Jane. Some of you remember Jane from years of old, not so long.
Yeah.
And basically Jane is Steve's wife and has come back to support us in the office doing Daily Word and the website and doing a lovely job.
Oh,
It's great to
thank
have you
you.
back, and we thought
Yeah.
we'd include Jane in our video blog this month.
Yeah. Hi, everybody. It's nice to be back. It feels I've come home a little bit, which is great. And I've seen some familiar faces. And you know, I have no favourite time of year talking about the spring. I don't, because I try to embrace all the seasons. I love trees, but I love them whatever the day's like. I think I look at them sometimes in awe of them. So for me, I see God at work through nature mostly, as I'm sure a lot of us do. But what exciting news! I've come back to Unity, going on the road, as it were. It's an exciting development. And so Unity is going out to meet you. It's going to where you live to offer this wonderful way of praying, to bring completeness and wholeness and just the opportunity to be prosperous, and to connect to that powerful divine presence, however you perceive that to be, you know, to have that in your life as from inner to outer and all those you encounter. So here Kimerie and Paul are going to lead all the groups into this wonderful idea of unity. So I do hope you watch out for the details and get your name on the list. What do you think, Kimerie?
I do. I think show up, because this is really about getting together, like we've got back together again.
Yeah.
And you can't beat being together in person.
No.
This is an opportunity for people that take Daily Word around the country, that join us online or don't join us online, to actually meet, to share a hug, to share Daily Word, to share prayer and experience it in person, to share some food together and some laughter.
And some fun. And just to see how we live with that message in us. And I have to say, I come to Unity many years ago, and I'll always be so grateful for it, for the prayer influence in my life, for the positivity of it. Nothing can match it. It's just a wonderful opportunity. So get booking, kiddos.
Yes, we look forward to having a hug.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jane.
Thank
you,
you.
everyone.
Bye, everyone.